Dan, the stock market is surging. The Dow is way above the 20,000 mark right now. Can you give us some insight on what's happening with the market? Will it continue to soar?
Well, we're seeing a continuing surge in the stock market, that's for sure. You look at the Dow Jones, the S&P, the Nasdaq Composite, they're all gaining. We're looking at record-setting levels across the board as this trend continues. And this past week, the president met with airline executives, and he said he was going to make an announcement, and I quote, that will be phenomenal in terms of tax within the next 3 weeks. And he also said that he is going to reduce regulations, he's going to fund infrastructure, and he's going to help the industry hire more people. Now, these are the types of things that Wall Street loves to hear. Reduction of regulations and phenomenal tax plans, that's music to their ears. But when we look at what's been happening with the stock market since the election, Wall Street has certainly been moving in the right direction. And as we look specifically in terms of what Donald Trump is saying, that promise of less regulations and the tax cuts, that's what I believe is driving the stock market's surge upward at this point. Now, if he gets these things done and it leads to economic growth and corporate profits, then I think we could really be looking at a sustained rise in terms of stocks. Now, Wall Street was doing pretty well before the election, but it's pretty clear to me that investors seem to be betting that there's going to be faster economic growth on the way. And again, that is really based upon what Donald Trump has been saying. We're going to be approaching now the time where he's got to put the rubber to the road and whether he can deliver on these things he's saying. So we'll have to see, King.